It's Wednesday, so it's Lucy Greer Day, and we are back in the kitchen with Lucy making something good for maybe a hot day to eat.
Yes, we are, heavy into spring.
Right.
And everybody is, kind of focusing on being outside, and we're going to get into picnics and all that fun stuff this time of year. So I love to make different cold salads, and today we're going to make a broccoli salad. And I just have either a big head of broccoli or two smaller heads of broccoli cut up here, and we were talking, I love to use also when you're making this, you could use the broccoli slaw,
of course,
which is shredded broccoli. If you haven't seen it, right in the produce department in a little bag is the shredded broccoli and carrots, and sometimes there's some red cabbage in there, so you could do just the broccoli slaw or do a combination of that with the cut up broccoli florets.
Now you cut up the broccoli, but it really didn't take you too much time.
No, it didn't take you too much time, broccoli. And you could cut it really super small, everything this size,
right,
or leave it bigger, whatever you like, for sure.
Yeah,
and
of course.
You could also add in, if you're a cauliflower fan, you could do a mixture. So this, we're going to make a dressing too to go on top, and this one's kind of versatile too. You could use it like on a fruit salad or really any kind of mix that you like.
Yeah.
So we're going to start with some mayo, and if you didn't want to use mayo, you could use plain yogurt as a substitute, or Greek yogurt. I use a lot of Greek yogurt when I'm cooking to make sauces or to lighten things up or cut calories, but I guess we're not cutting any calories today.
No, not today, but I do love the mayonnaise taste too,
yeah,
especially in a cold salad.
And you could also cut it. If you didn't want to use a full cup of mayonnaise, you could use half a cup and then do half a cup of yogurt. So there's always ways that you can cut calories without cutting all the flavor. And this mayonnaise is like, I don't know, one of my best finds in the grocery store before. This is Sour's mayonnaise, and it is super good quality, and it is very inexpensive. I mean, think of mayonnaise, if anybody pays attention to prices out there, for Hellmann's can be well over $5. Although at our stores we always have amazing prices, and actually right now we have Hellmann's on deal. We have awesome buyers that work to bring our customers really great deals, and you can come to Greer's every day and get really good values, and then after I find something that I can even get a better deal on,
of course,
I just love it. So this one kind of reminds me of Hellmann's, but about half the price.
Yeah, and the Greer's is all about the experience too. I love going in a grocery store, not being in a rush, but actually enjoying shopping. But it's so nice when you have workers there too who enjoy their job as well, and help you find
we
what
have
you
the
need.
best people, and it always makes me so happy, when I hear customers, call our people by name, and so and so, at this store, and that's what it's all about. That's how we try to differentiate ourselves, the quality and our products and the prices, but also the people. So it's really important to us. And then we're going to add half of a lemon in here. And I always have my little strainer on hand.
That's so smart.
I know. I mean,
it is so smart.
And typically, when I do citrus, I use the zest too. I'm not today, but I'll use, the microplane. I'll flip it upside down and use it as a little strainer.
Yeah.
Because I don't like to fish the seeds out.
Right.
And then we're going to sweeten it up a little bit with a couple tablespoons of sugar. We have half a teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar.
Yum.
And this is our dressing. So, and I'm just going to make it in the bowl that we're going to mix the whole salad up in, so I don't have to get 2 bowls dirty.
Yeah, right. So when we come back, what will we be doing next?
We will be talking about all the yummy stuff we're going to add into our salad and kind of work on getting everything together.
All right, Lucy, well, we'll be right back. We are back in the kitchen with Lucy Greer, and now we are about to mix everything up for this broccoli salad.
Yes, we started on our dressing, which was our mayo and lemon juice and apple cider vinegar, and we sweetened it up with a little bit of sugar, or you could use honey, which would be delicious in here, and also just a little bit of salt. And we cut up about a big head of broccoli. This is about 4 cups or so of broccoli, and we talked about the option of using broccoli slaw.
Yes.
And this dressing is really versatile. You could just use this dressing on your typical coleslaw and add add whatever else you want in there.
And it was so easy to make.
Yeah, and you have all that stuff on hand, which is good. You know, you don't have to buy a lot of extra ingredients when you make something up on your own.
Yeah, right.
So we're gonna add that in there, and then I have some other things ready. And again, you could kind of add whatever you want, but I'm gonna add some dried cranberries.
Add some color too.
Yes, some color. I love these dried cranberries. They're so good. Or have you seen now, there's dried blueberries.
I have seen that.
Yeah, so that would be good in here too. You could use cherries, raisins, whatever. And then I have 3 green onions that I just thinly sliced. And okay, so I have some bacon that I crumbled up. Have you used this bacon before?
I have not, but I love bacon.
I know, I do too, and I have always been a little wary of the fully cooked bacon out there in the stores, but it comes in a little package like this.
It's sealed.
And it's sealed, and you just open it up, and it comes on little pieces of paper like this.
Yeah.
And it's really thin sliced, and I love our Best Choice bacon anyway, which is one of our private labels. So if you are in our stores and you need bacon, try the Best Choice bacon. It is so good. And it comes like this, so you just microwave it, however many pieces you need. My right-hand lady, Christy, and I were working on some recipes and just doing some different things, and we needed some bacon quick, and she was like, hey, go grab that bacon. And I was like, really? I don't know. And she's like, it's good. And it really is. I mean, because it's real bacon. I don't know what I was expecting. But, and it's really great. Like, she uses it with her grandkids, and actually, I was kind of getting everything ready last night, and of course the kids smelled bacon.
Of course.
And so they wanted some, and they ate it, and it's really good. So I was really happy to find a shortcut. We're all pressed for time. It's very affordable, and I just cooked it up, crumbled it up, and here you go. Because a lot of times if I'm in a hurry, I will use like bacon bits, the crumbled real bacon in a bag, but this is just even better. Yeah.
Pop it in the microwave for a couple seconds, head to wherever you need to go.
Exactly. So if you have been wary,
try it. Lucy Greer says,
trust me.
Try it and trust her. And
trust
it smells
me.
so good.
I know it does. So I was happy for that. And then I'm just using some sunflower seeds in here too. So that was about a half a cup or so.
So while you're mixing, you guys should have a new store in downtown Mobile pretty soon, huh?
Yes, we are working on plans for our store that's going to be on St. Louis Street. It is going to be, it's about a couple blocks east of the Cheese Cottage down there. There's so much development going on. We're going into an existing building. Like I said, we're working on the plans, and it's going to be a small footprint store, but everything that anyone needs living downtown. We're going to have a heavy emphasis, of course, on our perishable departments, produce, meat and seafood, and our deli bakery. We're going to have breakfast, lunch, and dinner there. It's going to be wonderful, and the response that we've received so far is awesome. So it's going to be kind of a new style store for us, and just bring something a little bit different to our customers. So we're excited about that, and look to be open definitely by the end of the year. So I will for sure keep us updated on that.
Of course. Well, we're super excited about that. And coming up next with Lucy Greer, we'll be just about done with this.
We'll be just about done, and we'll talk about how everybody can get these ingredients easily.
Of course. That's all coming up in the last segment with Lucy Greer. We're back in the kitchen with Lucy Greer finishing up this broccoli salad, and it's looking so good.
Yes, it's so bright and colorful. We have our green, and we added our sunflower seeds, and this was cool. I could just bought them, already ready to go.
Love that.
And we put some dried cranberries in here, a few green onions. We talked about our bacon that we just cooked really easily and crumbled up, and we made our yummy dressing, and now, of course,
the cheese.
The cheese. So we can't forget the cheese. So I'm just using cheddar cheese and sprinkling that in, and we didn't take a lot to make our dressing. It was really easy, things that we probably have on hand, and I just put a touch of salt in the dressing because the bacon has salt and the cheese, so all the flavors really come together. And this is really, you can eat it right now. It's ready to eat, but if you let it sit in the fridge for a couple hours or overnight, it'll be even better. So this is perfect to make ahead for a party.
See, I was going to ask you that. I like my my vegetables, I mean, now the broccoli's probably still crunchy, but I like it after sitting a little while. So like the one over here that we have, I think it'd be really good at maybe a couple hours just sitting in the fridge.
Yep, exactly. So that's always nice to have a recipe on hand like this that you can get ready and you know, get everything else ready and then just grab this out of the fridge and go to wherever you're going.
Yeah, of course. Now you can get all of these ingredients at Greer's, obviously.
Of course. We today's Wednesday, so of course we have a new ad that breaks every Wednesday. And I know that we talk a lot about our online shopping, but it is such an awesome service. And I know for me, whenever you try something new, you know, everybody's busy, and it's kind of hard to force yourself to just slow down that first time to try something new. But really, the online shopping, the curbside pickup has absolutely changed my life.
Well, you save so much time doing that. You save so
much time, and also we have delivery options too. My mom has had a hurt back, and my sister always does the delivery because she leads a super busy life. But my mom just got into the delivery too, and it's been perfect because, you know, she hadn't been able to, you know, get around as easily. So it's been really, really good for her. And
especially
so
with
many
kids
people
in the car, you know, you don't have to pack them up and go in, just order ahead and go pick them up.
Exactly. So we're glad to be able to give the curbside pickup option and delivery options, and you can find it several different ways. You can go to our website, of course, Greers.com, and find it, or go straight to the Greers.com/shop page. And we also have an app. So you just go to the App Store and type in Greers, and it'll pop right up, and you can
just order from your phone and get it delivered to your house.
Yep, any device you can order with. And our latest store is in Sims. So many people are asking for it out there. So our store at Lawton McCreary Road now has online shopping, and all of our stores in Mobile, Baldwin County, Florida. So just about all of them have it now.
Of course. Well, Greer's is here to save you a little bit of time and enjoy that shopping process. But you guys are also going to be having a new location pretty soon in downtown.
Yes, stay tuned for exact dates and everything. But we're working on the plans for that store on St. Louis Street. We're really excited to be part of the revival downtown, and we already have our store on Government and Broad and also South Broad Street. That we've just remodeled, actually. So we're you know, always trying to make things better for the people in our communities.
Yeah, of course. So for you folks at home, you've got to download the Greer's app and go visit Greers.com to check out all that they have to offer. It seems like it's endless these days.
It is. Staying busy.
Of course, of course. Well, Lucy, thank you.
Thank you.
Excited to try this broccoli salad.